can't, like, period. Like, this is giving. See, it looks freaking banging right now. The unit is very pretty, guys. It's the brown color, which I almost think this is more of an auburn color, as you guys can see. I did go ahead and try to do my eyebrows in like an auburn color just because I feel like that's how it really looks. I have gotten so many compliments on this hair. I get stopped every single place I go. It's crazy. I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair color, guys, everything about it. So this unit is 24 inches long, guys. This is a water wave texture. It is a 13x4, 150% density unit, guys. Very, very pretty. Now, 150% density is pretty solid. You guys know I like my 180 to 200%, but this 150 is actually not bad at all. The color is very pretty. Now, when I initially installed it, guys, it showed you I tweezed it on my head. I did everything on my head. Like I said, I did pop this unit off, and I wanted to go ahead and bleach the knots on it just to make it look more scalpy on them, so you guys can see. Now, usually I don't be doing all this crazy baby hair magic, but I decided to do it on this unit just because it's so pretty. This is not a curly texture. This is a water wave texture, so you guys can kind of see how loose and pretty the waves are. That is one thing I really, really, really love about this unit, is like the pattern. The pattern is very pretty. Again, I did go ahead and part this the opposite way. I never wear my hair on this side, guys, but I decided to change it up this time and do it this way again. My last video, I did a curly unit. I did kind of like a flip over method, and I loved it the way that was parted this way. So I wanted to do not really a flip over method, but something with a little bit of parting. One thing I wish that this unit did have was more parting space. Even though it's a 13x4, I felt like a 13x6 on this one would be much better. Just because on the side you get cut off with like a little bit of lace. I need like a little bit more lace right here. So 13x6 would be definitely a better upgrade for this unit. Just because the color, the curl pattern, everything about it is very, very nice, guys. I was super excited to get this one this time. Like I said, I wore it for a few days. I did co-wash and everything. Initially, when I had this unit before in around May time, I did realize that the hair was just tangling too much, but I don't know if that had to do with the ocean water or whatever it was, or manufacturer defect. It's not an issue right now. The hair is lovely. Washed it at least 3 times already, guys. It's very, very pretty. 24 inches is a perfect length, guys. Not too bad. And you guys can see this is about 150% density, which is solid. And yeah, I try to keep it fun. I did kind of get a little bit crazy with the baby hairs this time around, guys. Usually I tend not to do that, but your girl was doing the most with this one. So I did do like a little bit of baby hairs around the perimeter and all that jazz. But other than that, guys, The color is to die for. I think the color looks so good against my skin tone. It's like a brownish red kind of color, auburn color. Not too like in your face, but just y'all feel me? It's giving just vibes. It's such a pretty wig, guys. Like, look it, like it's giving all the vibes. Like I said, the pattern is perfect. It's not too curly. It's like a nice loose natural wave pattern, which I absolutely love, guys. So I will leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Unice Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.